7 paintings, 7 courses, 1 immersive dinner experience. Hello and welcome to Immersive Attractions. Today we are talking about 7 paintings and here is our honest review.
7 Paintings is an immersive dining concept with locations across Germany and internationally. The idea? Each of the 7 courses is inspired by a famous work of art, from Leonardo da Vinci and the Renaissance all the way to modern street art influences like Banksy.
For us, the event took place in Speyer, located in a cozy vaulted cellar. The setting was intimate and the staff was fantastic.
And so was the presentation of the food. Without giving too much away, a graffiti-inspired moment involving spray cans, a bold pop art main course presentation with a giant soup can and sauce served from a cola bottle, a dessert featuring a perfume-style flacon filled with vanilla rum aroma, and even moments where you paint your own plate with a brush before eating it. Those interactive elements made the evening playful and genuinely fun.
Now, let's talk about the price. Including drinks and tip, we paid around 300 euros for 2 people. That's definitely premium. For us, it was worth it. But we love immersive dining and creative concepts. It's important to know, the focus is on the experience, not on high-end gastronomy. The food was good, with some very strong courses, but not every dish blew us away. So, if you are going purely for Michelin-level cuisine, this might not be the right choice. If you are going for entertainment, creativity and something different, you'll probably love it.
So, what are our final thoughts? We had fun the entire evening. It felt unique, it felt playful, and it definitely felt different from a regular dinner. So yes, we would recommend 7 Paintings, especially if you enjoy immersive experiences like we do. Would you try it? Let us know in the comments.
If you liked this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell to never miss one of our upcoming videos. And now, let's find the next world to get lost in.